We bought 5 of the most popular washing machines on the market right now. Machines sitting in carts this weekend at Home Depot and Best Buy. We did not just test them, we disassembled them. Pulled the drums, opened the housings, exposed every component a repair technician actually touches when the machine fails. What we found inside 4 of them should change the way you shop for this appliance forever. Here is the number that matters first. Drum replacement on a modern sealed tub machine runs between $350 and $900. The average big box washer costs us between $500 and $800 new. One drum failure and the repair bill equals what you paid for the machine. That is not a fluke, that is a design outcome. The brands selling these machines are counting on you not knowing it until after the warranty expires. Starting in the late 1990s, appliance manufacturing consolidated. Private equity rolled up brands. The name on the machine stopped corresponding to who engineered it. The pattern tying every failure together is the sealed drum. Older machines use split tub assemblies with serviceable bearings. A technician swapped the bearing, the machine ran another several years. Today, most major brands press the bearings permanently into the outer tub. When the bearing fails, the tub goes with it. Sealed tub replacement pushes close to 50% of a new machine's price. Most people facing that quote just buy a new machine. That is the intended outcome. Here is what we found when we opened 5 of them. Sealed bearing assembly pressed into the back half of the outer tub with no independent replacement path. When it fails, the full outer tub goes with it. Documented repair cost for a Samsung front load outer tub assembly runs between $400 and $600 in parts alone before labor. The spider arm connecting the inner drum to the shaft is aluminum alloy. Over time, galvanic corrosion between the aluminum spider and the stainless steel drum causes the arms to crack and fracture. The inner drum contacts the outer tub. Most owners hear it as loud banging during spin and assume an unbalanced load. By the time it is unmistakable, the damage is compounding. Samsung was also the subject of a Consumer Product Safety Commission recall in November of 2016. 2.8 million top-load machines, 733 documented reports of the machine top detaching from the chassis mid-cycle, 9 injuries confirmed, including a broken jaw. That recall is on the CPSC website. If you own a Samsung, drop a comment. How many years before your first repair call? Subscribe to uncover how appliances actually fail. Whirlpool acquired Maytag in 2006. The machines coming off that platform today are not the machines that built the Maytag reputation. Yale Appliance has documented that value on current Whirlpool and Maytag models has declined against their historical standard. The name carries a legacy. The machine does not always back up. The outer tub on the mid-tier Whirlpool we opened is plastic, not the inner drum. The outer tub, the structural housing that holds the water through every cycle. Plastic outer tubs crack under thermal cycling and out of balance spin stress. Once it cracks, the machine leaks, and full tub replacement is the only fix. The control board manages cycle sequences, sensor inputs, and motor speed with no simplified mechanical fallback. Board replacement on this platform runs between $200 and $500 and is a documented failure mode on machines where repairable mechanical designs were removed to add features. Whirlpool's older top load direct drive design from the 1980s through the 2000s used a simple gear case and motor coupling that technicians could rebuild for under $50. That design was discontinued in favor of electronic platforms that cannot be economically repaired. GE Appliances was sold to Haier in 2016. The brand is American, but the ownership is not. The door gasket retainer ring on this machine is plastic with a shallow drainage channel at the base. Water sits in that channel after every cycle. In a machine wiped down after every load, it is manageable. In a machine used the way most households use one, it becomes a mold problem. Gasket replacement runs between $120 and $500 depending on model and labor market. The pump filter housing is plastic, the impeller is plastic, and the debris trap requires manual cleaning on an interval that is never clearly communicated to the buyer. A clogged pump means the machine fails to drain, an error code appears, and a technician charges a trip fee before a single part is discussed. On a $400 machine, that math collapses immediately. GE Appliances and other budget platform manufacturers have also been documented discontinuing replacement parts within 3 to 5 years of a model's launch, which closes the repair path entirely regardless of the failure cost. This is where the teardown changes. The LG direct drive motor connects directly to the drum shaft with no belt, no pulley, and no gearbox. Fewer components means fewer failure points. LG backs it with a 10-year motor warranty, confirmed on their published specification page. The belt failure mode that affects conventional machines does not exist on this platform. Yale Appliance 2025 service data puts LG front loaders at a 2.7% service rate over 12 months, lowest of any major brand they track. Consumer Reports named LG the most reliable front load brand for 2025. The sealed tub issue applies to portions of the LG lineup, and the 10-year warranty covers the motor, not the full machine. But the direct drive design, the confirmed warranty, and the independently verified service rate all point the same direction. This machine is built differently than the first three. This machine does not belong in the same conversation as the other four. Speed Queen has manufactured washing machines in Ripon, Wisconsin for more than 110 years. The TR7 is built on a commercial-grade platform using the same class of components found in laundromat machines running multiple cycles per day for years without failure. Stainless steel wash tub confirmed on Speed Queen's specification sheet. Full steel base with heavy-duty springs, not the plastic suspension found in the machines above. Every unit is tested to 10,400 cycles before leaving the factory, equivalent to approximately 25 years of household use, according to Speed Queen's own published documentation. The TR7 carries a 7-year full warranty on the entire machine, not a motor warranty, the full machine. That commitment is only possible when the manufacturer has no concern about what a technician will find inside it years from now. It starts around $1,000. No touchscreen, no app, no steam cycle. What it has is mechanical simplicity that any competent technician in any market can service and rebuild indefinitely, and parts availability that reflects a company planning to support what it sells. Every repair technician we asked gave the same 2 criteria. Check the warranty, check the drum. A 1-year warranty is the manufacturer telling you in writing the machine will not outlast the financing. A 7-year full warranty is a manufacturer putting money behind a different standard. Opposite commitments built from opposite decisions. A sealed drum means the bearing cannot be replaced when it fails, and it will fail. If the machine in front of you has a sealed outer tub and a 1-year warranty, It has a built-in expiration date and a repair path that closes before it is paid off. Spend more once or spend less 3 times. The math is not close. Subscribe. Next, I am covering refrigerators. The sealed compressor problem is exactly the same, and when that compressor fails, it makes a drum replacement look affordable.